As we gear up for fall 2024, excitement is in the air for drone enthusiasts everywhere. DJI, a powerhouse in the drone industry, is poised to introduce a game-changer, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Imagine a drone so lightweight and portable it can easily fit in your jacket pocket, yet boasts capabilities that rival professional-grade gear. This isn't just another release. The Mini 5 Pro aims to redefine what we expect from compact drones. Get ready to explore the groundbreaking features and innovations that this remarkable model promises to bring to the table. The Mini series has long been celebrated for its compact, foldable design, which makes it incredibly portable and easy to carry. As we anticipate the arrival of the Mini 5 Pro, we expect it to uphold this commitment to portability while also enhancing durability and transport ease. One of the most exciting upgrades is likely to be improved wind resistance. While the Mini 4 Pro can handle winds of up to 10.7 miles per second, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to potentially withstand winds of 12 miles per second or more. This enhancement would enable more reliable flights in challenging weather, making it an even more versatile companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Another thrilling aspect of the Mini 5 Pro revolves around its camera system. The Mini 4 Pro features a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor with 48 megapixels. But the Mini 5 Pro is expected to make a significant leap with a larger 1-inch sensor. This upgrade would greatly enhance dynamic range and minimize noise, particularly in low-light conditions, allowing for stunning visuals in various environments. Furthermore, we may see advancements in video quality, with the possibility of 4K recording at frame rates up to 100 FPS, and even a 6K video option for breathtaking slow-motion footage. With a larger sensor, we can also anticipate improved color depth and overall image quality, making the Mini 5 Pro an attractive choice for both professional videographers and photographers seeking high-quality aerial shots. The Mini 4 Pro already set a high bar for flight performance with a maximum flight time of 34 minutes using its standard intelligent flight battery. As we look ahead, the Mini 5 Pro is likely to build upon this foundation, delivering even greater capabilities that will excite both seasoned drone pilots and newcomers alike. The anticipation surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is palpable, with rumors swirling that this drone could redefine what we expect from portable aerial technology. Imagine soaring for up to 40 minutes on a single charge, allowing pilots to fully immerse themselves in capturing stunning visuals or exploring breathtaking landscapes. Plus, a potential speed increase, possibly reaching up to 18 meters per second, promises an exhilarating flying experience that enhances both agility and responsiveness. What's more, the Mini 5 Pro is set to introduce a cutting-edge omnidirectional obstacle sensing system, a feature often reserved for high-end drones. This advancement could offer improved detection capabilities, ensuring safer flights in complex environments, which is a game-changer for all drone enthusiasts. DJI's innovative spirit doesn't stop there. The Mini 5 Pro may bring new intelligent flight modes that elevate user experience even further. Building on the impressive capabilities of the Mini 4 Pro, we could see enhanced active track features and automated flight patterns that allow even novice pilots to achieve professional quality shots effortlessly. Expect improvements in DJI's video transmission system as well, with the Mini 4 Pro already boasting a maximum video bit rate of 150 megabits per second. The Mini 5 Pro is likely to surpass this, offering enhanced video quality for live streaming and high-resolution recordings, perfect for capturing those breathtaking moments in real time. Storage could also see a significant upgrade, with speculation that the Mini 5 Pro will feature 8 GB of internal storage compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 2 GB. This enhancement means less reliance on external memory cards, making it easier for users to capture spontaneous aerial photography without the hassle of swapping cards. As the Mini 5 Pro prepares for launch, it stands to make a substantial impact in the drone market, particularly within the sub-250 grams category. This weight class is crucial, as it often meets the criteria for avoiding registration in many countries, expanding accessibility for a wider audience. By fusing professional-grade features with a compact design, DJI continues to blur the lines between consumer and professional drones, setting the stage for a new era of compact, high-performance drones that cater to both hobbyists and seasoned professionals alike. As September 2024 approaches, industry insiders and drone enthusiasts are buzzing with anticipation for the release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This timeline aligns seamlessly with DJI's annual update strategy, ensuring they stay at the cutting edge of drone technology while keeping consumer excitement at an all-time high. When it comes to pricing, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to retail between $750 and $800. While some may see this as steep, the impressive capabilities and features it promises to deliver will likely justify the investment for both hobbyists and professionals, making it an essential addition to any drone arsenal. The Mini 5 Pro is set to revolutionize compact drone technology. Building on the success of the Mini 4 Pro and its predecessors, it aims to offer professional-grade features within a highly portable design. With enhanced imaging capabilities, longer flight times, and smarter intelligent features, the Mini 5 Pro is on track to redefine expectations in the drone market. As we await its official announcement, it's clear that DJI is committed to innovation and is not resting on its laurels. The Mini 5 Pro is poised to raise the bar for what's achievable in the sub-250 grams category, inspiring a new wave of aerial photography and videography. Whether you're a professional seeking a lightweight companion for your toolkit or an enthusiast eager to capture stunning views from above, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the perfect solution for all your aerial needs. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on cutting-edge drone technology.